Hey guys, Vin here. Let's quickly look at the US30. This is the US30 forecast, and please don't forget to like this video and also consider subscribing if you are new. Let's get to 1,000 likes for this particular one, right? So starting from the weekly time frame, the weekly chart, right, you can see this is a nice, beautiful uptrend. Okay, so it will be much wiser for me to draw a trend line since we are in that uptrend. So let me start by highlighting key points that we can use to draw the trend line. One of those is this one. The second one will actually be this particular point, and of course the third one needs to be somewhere down, let's say here. Okay, so these are the obvious points that I can see from this particular chart. Then I can connect any 2 points. So I've connected the first one and the second one in that case. Okay, so using the equation of a straight line, that is actually what I'm using to define my line. Okay, we only need 2 points, so I can connect this and that. This one, right, let me zoom in, and this one, we're still going to get more or less the same trend line, or that's still the correct way of doing it. Why? Because we are connecting 2 turning points. Okay, so we're using that equation over there, okay, to explain that. So if I zoom in nicely around this point, you can see that price is back at that particular trend line. Okay, it's back at that particular trend line. If I can mark this line, we're most likely to see it sort of rejecting around that, because there was quite a number of rejections around 33905. Okay, so we could see price going back to the upside. If we look at it from daily, right, let me see on daily, around here, yes, we still have another nice trend there, so I'm allowed to connect any 2 points. If you checked the last US30 video, this is the 2 points that we're looking at. This is the last 2 points that we're looking at. So if I connect my trend line to the upside right there, you can see that price, it's up, I mean it's down there almost near the trend line. However, if I mark my zones nicely, I teach how to mark those zones on the website nicely. Do check that out. I can mark another one right there, which is the resistance zone. Okay, but if I come back, of course, to this support zone there, you can see that there's a possibility of us seeing buyers piling up, because the trend line support is there, and there's that zone there, the support structure is around it. So we could see buying pressure back to the upside towards that resistance structure. Okay, so that is possibility number one. However, stop losses, of course, if we find such opportunities, needs to go beyond the structure somewhere there. Of course, right there, that could be our first target of some sort, if I was to put it like that, at 34246. That would be our nice target. So let me show you that from another angle here on the H4 chart. Okay, so on the H4 chart, remember the main key point in this case is that zone. So let me highlight that zone. Right, I'm gonna take this candle. If you know the rules that I used for drawing the zones, go ahead and mark the zones on your MT4. And we could see, you can see actually this is around the top. So one thing that I'm thinking of, it's a pullback of that around the top. Okay, that is another reason as to why I might look for opportunities to buy, because of that rounded top. And we could reach this particular trend line there. That is the exact level that I showed you around that point. Yes, that is why I said that could be our target, because there's that trend line from that particular time frame. So this will be our target where we could take our profits around that point. The second target could be up there. Should we find a move to the upside? Otherwise, let's get this video to 1,000 likes, and if you are new, of course, consider subscribing, as I've said. Otherwise, sharp drop me a comment down here, let me know what you think of this video. Sharp.